Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video I use these bicycle forks to make a set of long clamps. First things first, the measuring step. Close the clamps before you cut them. This way the jaws stay centered throughout the project. Now we can trim down the forks. And we'll start laying it out. So this is what we're going for. We just need to do some work to the ends to make sure everything fits up right. So I take a cutoff wheel and I slice the two ends open. Now I get a wedge and I pry them apart. And I flatten the ends over. So they're pried apart, flattened on the top. Now we also want to work the bottoms, flatten them out a little bit. I use a vise for this. And we also need to work the clamp end. So I get this profile in there so I can wedge it into the other end just like this. And now we're ready to weld. I start by tacking the inside edge first, both sides. And now we're going to flatten the forks against the clamp. So you can see all the space is taken up. Now we'll tack the other ends. Both sides. And now we can start fitting up the jaws. Make sure that they're clamped down. Once you get it tacked down, you're going to want to tighten it a bit so you get good pressure against the jaws. And you know they're going to work properly. Now we've got it all tacked up. Make sure everything works right. Make sure it closes tight. And I'm just going to whack the excess off of these forks, clean it up a little bit. And I'll just take a hammer and peen these ends over and then finish it up with the weld. So now I got all my finish welding done and they work pretty good. Just like that, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys learned something, enjoyed that video. If you did, I ask you to go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.